So Picnic is a very young company. We were founded in 2015. And at Picnic, we aim to reinvent the way people do their groceries through our sustainable and app-only service. In fact, this means we don't have any physical grocery stores, but when you order your groceries, we deliver them to your door in our characteristic electric vehicles. At Picnic, we aim to do and develop everything ourselves in-house, ensuring that we keep creating innovative processes and technologies, and thus making sure we keep our growth as is. And at this very moment, we are delivering to customers in the Netherlands, Germany, and France. From our start in 2015, Picnic already has been collaborating in part through the Google Workspace platform, back then G Suite. But as we grew rapidly, we felt more and more the need to include more existing use cases into the platform and unlock more of the possibilities of Google Workspace. We have done so in the past through two major steps. The first one is that we decided to select Google Shared Drives as our main data sharing and collaboration tool. And the second big step was implementing Google Chromebooks for our customer support operations. Before switching to Google Shared Drives, our company was suffering from a split brain, meaning we were working in different data sharing collaboration tools. As you can imagine, this was very confusing for all colleagues and not very efficient. Before implementing Chromebooks, our customer success operations were working mainly on a bring-your-own-device basis. This made it almost impossible to guarantee a stable level of quality and reliability, and it does have some security concerns. For both use cases, different options were evaluated on a broad set of criteria, and Tryve provided input here from the perspective of Google Workspace and Chrome. In the end, Google provided us with the best solution for our specific needs, not only in terms of features, but also in terms of cost. Tryve was not only there to provide us with the input to evaluate Google Workspace as a potential contender, but they really extensively supported us in building the business case. And once we made the decision to select Google Workspace for these use cases, Tryve was there along the way to support the implementation and, importantly, the training of the team. Both transitions consisted of a design, testing, implementation and rollout phase, and Tryve was there along the way, supporting us in each phase through troubleshooting, training, documentation and any other support we needed. As always with change, the biggest challenge was to convince people that the change was needed. By including stakeholders early, selecting early adapters, providing plenty of documentation and training, the transition in both cases was relatively easy, quick and pain-free. With every new feature update from Google Workspace, interesting use cases appear for us. We're constantly evaluating new features and seeing how we can integrate some of our existing use cases into the Google Workspace platform. Tryve also has a very important role here, as they are making sure that we're constantly up to date of new features that may be interesting for us. One example we're looking at together with Tryve is implementing Google Frontline Workers, which may be very interesting for our operational organization. I would absolutely recommend to work with Tryve. They are a highly knowledgeable organization, not only in terms of Google Workspace, but they also make a big effort to understand your company's organization, and also the specific use cases that are relevant to your organization.